First things first, I must say, politicians are parasites.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all this blessing as usual out this visual finds you all in the best of health. And over there, vlog on the go, though. Yeah man, big up all of my subscribers them, see? Fans them, big up on yourself. Now my people, big up Jamaica, big up JLP, big up PMP, you know what I mean? But we want to know, remember video for play too, no? From Damian Crawford, the former chairman of, you know what I mean, the Manifesto Committee for the People's National Party. And for Jamaica. You know what I mean? I was a big up every JLP, big up every PMP. But after the break, we are going straight and I'm going to hear what I say.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Yeah man, you saw me I say, who feels it knows? See? Yeah man, who feels it knows. Available on all platforms. You told me I say, no my people. Here with Damian Crawford I say.
Yeah man, Jamaica. This is Damian Crawford. And I was the chairperson of the Manifesto Committee for the People's National Party. I hear some people trying to discredit the manifesto, calling it a giveaway manifesto. So I'm just coming to mash down that lie quick and fast. This is not a giveaway manifesto. This is a people's manifesto, a necessity manifesto. I'm going to give you a few examples. Now, we said that we're going to make motor vehicles, the ownership of motor vehicles, more accessible and cheaper for members of the police force. Now, you tell me why is that not right? When it cannot make sense that a police officer is stopping a taxi, then in the afternoon taking the same taxi. That in this period of wanton crime and murder, with these people not having any limits and any fear, that a police officer should be standing at the bus stop waiting to go home. I don't know if you remember Crystal Thomas, who was murdered as a policewoman going home on a bus. This manifesto is on behalf of Crystal Thomas and on behalf of the people of the police force. Also, if you remember during COVID, you'll also remember that the nurses could not get a taxi because they were being scorned because of COVID. You tell me why it is not correct, why it is not right for our government to consider making motor vehicles and ownership of personal motor vehicles more affordable for nurses. This is not a giveaway manifesto. This is a people's manifesto. We have also heard from the Minister of Health that they doubt that school will be opening back in September. And so therefore you're going to have some teachers who have to prepare to teach from home. In preparation to teach from home, some of them have to go try and make a little private space by either getting some drywall to separate or divide a room. Some of them have to go now start to get a little desk because they used to use a computer in the bed and they can't use computer in the bed now. Others have to get a more comfortable chair because of the long periods of time that they have to sit in a chair in front of their classes. Why is it wrong for our government to give those teachers a $100,000 so that they can prepare themselves for the COVID reality? This is not a giveaway manifesto. This is a people's manifesto. Equally, we are now expecting that with the people not being able to stay home, but the children have to stay home, that they're going to have a high cost for childcare services. So we have said that you can claim some of your income tax to pay for these childcare services. Why is this wrong? Because they'll be giving the hotels a bailout, but somehow it's a giveaway government if you are giving the people a bailout. We said to the parents who know that they'll have to pay for childcare services, who know that they'll have to pay for an adult to be present while they're at work and the children can't go to school, that you can claim back some of your income tax so that you can pay for this particular activity. This is not a giveaway. This is a people's manifesto. Why is it wrong for us to say that one child in every household should have a degree so that they can transform what is a shop into a wholesale, so that they can get knowledge, information, and experience, so that they can move what is a hustle to a business? Why is it wrong to say that we, the PMP, has identified $3.5 billion to give 10,000 students per year $350,000 scholarship so that you can have 1 degree in every household, becoming the catalyst of change and the engine of growth within their family. So one can come help the others and make a better Jamaica. Why is that negative when you have some ministers that were giving their girlfriend $30 million jobs? Why is it wrong to give a student $350,000? That can't be wrong. So why is it wrong that the People's National Party have identified these groups and have reserved for helpers houses? We have heard of many times we reserve for public sector, but there are helpers out there making it possible for the public sector worker to do their work. There are taxi men out there that are going to and from and not being able to own a home, right? There are people within the entertainment that are not rich artists, that are stage managers, that are girls going out to do promotion, that are people who are just in the backstage of the entertainment, producers and promoters. Why is it wrong for a government to reserve some houses for purchase, not for giveaway, to these people? And so therefore, I'm saying to you people, it is a lie from the bottom of the pit of hell that this is anything other than the People's Manifesto that have identified the realities being faced by the people and have recognized that some people might be losing their homes, and by extension it is right for the government to intervene to extend the period from 3 months to 2 years for bad debt, so that the banks could have some confidence that they'll at least receive some funds if the person does not recover, but also that the person can still maintain their home, because those who work on cruise ship, they're not going back on any cruise ship anytime soon. Should they lose their home because of COVID? Those who work in the hotels, the country look like it's about to get locked again based on what is happening 98 today. So I'm saying to you people, this is a manifesto that have identified the realities of the people and have sought to address the realities of the people.
Gentlemen, people, here Crawford, I say, big up the man Crawford, even though, you know what I mean, they give me empty promises, 2018, you see me? Them say, yo, politicians make empty promises, and I experienced it 2018, but that's a different breakdown. Big up the man Crawford, Miss Angela Burke, I'm not a pre-run, I'm a good book same way, but you know, I'm born politics, see? Born politics, I don't support politics. I vote once, twice. See, in 2018, I voted for Angela Burke because I feel like the constituency needed a change. Big up RJ, who was a farmer, MP for the area, and I'm in Pienland. See, so anyway, big up JP, big up PMP. I don't support politics. I am for the people, equal rights and justice, fairness and sureness. See, so what the man Crawford has said, how can they say the manifesto is giving away, you know what I mean, is too kind and giving away all the money and all of them things. You see, that's why Bro God made the statement when he said, my time PMP is for the people, but remember now, all of the PMP them and JLP parties them are criminals, thieves, crook, general, parasites, as the Foota Hype said. See, because them can do more, but them not do it. See? Now, what the man Crawford has said, they put in place for, you know, vehicles and house and essentials, necessity, needs, you know what I mean? For people like the police, soldiers, nurses, can afford. And we know Jamaica expensive. Jamaica nice but expensive. And they could have do better, but the government them raise everything them every time, cost of living, you know what I mean? And the man say, yo, them put in place where a police can afford a car instead of standing up at the bus stop, running risks, lose them life, you know what I mean? Like what I'm saying with the police lady who was killed on the bus. Police woman did not take bus, you know. I remember police, I put them life on the line to save Jamaica, protect and serve. But yes, still, them a take bus and taxi. The same taxi where them stop and the same taxi them a take. So the taxi man a pre them, other people a pre them and watch them and say, hey, a boy there, he might come at the bus stop 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, you know. We are kill him, you know. We are leave it him and rap him and kill him, you know. You see me? So them thing that the man say they put in place and them scrap it. Just like one time Trump come and scrap all of the thing them, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you see me? The man say, yo, them put in place where the teachers them can afford, you know, if you pay them mortgages, don't lose them home, afford a computer, afford to do a partition in their house because it look like they are going to be working from home, teaching from home, because it doesn't look like school is going to be open again. You know what I mean? And all this and them pandemic is all planned, you know. They did already say there's going to be a second spike. You know what I mean? In England, them say it a spike. In America, them say it a spike up again. And now Jamaica say it a spike up again. It is all pandemic. My viewers and subscribers, what I'm telling my fellow Jamaicans, man. Yeah? Open up on the big eyes, man, and look and see, man. When I get out of politics, eh? Yo. Damon Crawford, big up yourself for that video there. And me just want to help share it and spread it. For the people that know, say, yo, the manifesto system, you know what I mean? It's for the people. The police, the soldiers, the nurse, the doctors. A car. Enough of them would have loved to own a car, but them can't afford it. Where them I work for? Eh? Where them I work for? Thief in JPS, TP, Water Commission, all of them. Zine, I take the people them money and bills and them thing there. You get what me I say? And they can't afford a car. So Damon Crawford said that's why the manifesto was in place for those stuff. So a police and a soldier can afford a car instead of taking taxi, public transport, bus. You know what I mean? The house put in place where the bank, instead of having 2 years, them extend it to 5, 10 years. So them can afford to pay for the house instead of losing it. And it will look like enough people are losing their house. Even in England here, people losing their house, their jobs, their businesses, shut down, can't get back a start. Them dead. You see me? Them business dead. Enough people lose them house, them car. You see me? Ready a man tell me say, yo, enough at the bus garage, enough people go rent, take out car for higher purchase. Zine? And I end up a ball now because Corona chip in on them. You know what I mean? Enough of them get furlough, lay off, work closed down, them a ball, them car get take away back. You get what me I say? No long, 2 years now, I now drive from left Jamaica, I sell my car, and I come back and I just a bus and taxi and foot. You see me? And see and I roll it out. You see me? But my people, bro God, of himself, JLP, when I'm in power, Jamaica feel it. Them feel like it looks like them do things, but they not do enough. Them take back more than when them do. PMP take too and thief too, you know. But them thief with a conscience and them give back. You know what I mean? And you see changes. All those bridges and new road and them things there. And I bro got sign them. You get me? Those things were in place from the former Prime Minister. You get me? You see it? Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. Want to leave in the comment in the comment section and let me know what you think, man. Because right now, a video here just stir me. Make my eyes open up. And I want to know open on the eyes, you know. Jamaica. Stop with them chicken and using and abusing, yeah? Yeah, man, a lion foot, you know. Lion foot. See? And that's why the police, them can't stop thief and corruption and scamming and all them things because them look at wages where them get a week time. It's not enough. So them have to go thief, end up in a scamming, get bribing. You see me? The WAF, the car business, everything. That's why so much bandul thing going on in Jamaica because the people them can't afford. Them look at wages where them get. The government them take it back, bills, tax, everything. You see me? Yes, some people, remember, you know, think before you vote. A lion foot, you know. And I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make someone else here. Saying peace, love you.
Lion Foot TV. Subscribe. Press the bell and click the bell.